Hey, welcome. This time we'll talk about WebXR Export in Unity and how to start. I guess that if you're here, you already know what WebXR is, but basically it's an API that enables AR and VR on the web browser with capabilities like hands tracking for both VR and AR, and also heat test for AR. For a time now that I'm working on WebXR Export from the Unity editor. Recently, some devs made me realize that the first time user experience of the exporter isn't beginner friendly. So this time, with the help of the devs from Needle Tools, we implemented some functionality of Unity's XR plugin manager. It's still not fully compatible with Unity's XR SDK, but it's a first step. With that, let's see how to build a basic experience. We already have Unity 2019.4.7 project, and it's set on WebGL. Now we go to the WebXR Export repository and you'll see there a message about Unity package. Here we copy the URL of the package and in the package manager we add the URL. After a few seconds, yeah. Oh. So after a few more seconds, it's added the WebXR export package, and we can go to the project settings, and here we see the XR plugin management. We need to check the WebXR export under XR plugin management, WebGL or HTML5, plugin providers, WebXR export. We also have here the WebXR settings. We can set VR settings like reference screen space or reference space. In this sample, we will use the local floor, and we can select some feature or optional features like hand tracking or heat test. We are already here, so we can add the Oculus provider, as I'm using the Oculus link connected to my desktop. I can see that it's now added. And now we will want to add the samples. For that, we go back to the repository and go to the WebXR interactions package. Copy the URL. Add. Wait a few more seconds. And now, within the WebXR interaction package, there's import into project for the sample scene. Let's import. And we see here the desert scene. Let's look at the camera rig. In this case, we call it WebXR camera set. It has the WebXR manager, and it has game object for the left and right hands controllers, and it has 5 cameras. The main used for the 2D screen, like 2D display, the usual 2D web page, and for the Unity XR general providers like the Oculus Link, Oculus in general, Steam VR, etc. The other 4 cameras are for the WebXR VR and AR sessions. We also have the scene heat test game object and component, which will help us to position AR objects in AR sessions. So let's hit play. Yeah! It works! To build the project, we'll need to use supported WebGLTemplate for the web page. We can import two templates by going to Window, WebXR, copy WebGLTemplates. Now we can see that there are new two templates in the project, and go to Build Settings, Player Settings, and select one of them. Now we should hit Build and not Build and Run. Unity's server, when hitting Unity's local server, when hitting Build and Run, uses HTTP, but for a WebXR we need HTTPS. Okay. One of the options that I think is more simple, it's to use Node.js and Node.js as npm package called HTTP server. It allows you to run local HTTPS server on your machine. So, once we build the project, we'll have an experience similar to the one at the GitHub repository. As you can see, same experience. As in the editor. And that's it for now. And as always, have a great day.